Question 1. According to is 456 is to 2000. What is the short-term static modulus of elasticity of concrete? Option A. 5000 square root FCK. Option B. 5700 square root FCK. Option C. 4500 square root FCK. Option D. 3000 square root FCK. Time is up. The correct answer is option A, 5000 square root FCK. Question 2. What is the minimum grade of concrete required for reinforced concrete work in moderate exposure conditions? Option A, M20. Option B, M25. Option C, M30. Option D, M35. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, M25. Question 3. In the limit state of collapse, what partial safety factor, gamma m, is applied to the characteristic strength of concrete? Option A, 1.15. Option B, 1.25. Option C, 1.5. Option D, 1.8. Time is up. The correct answer is option C, 1.5. Question 4. What is the minimum stripping time for props to slabs spanning up to 4.5 meters? Option A, 3 days. Option B, 7 days. Option C, 14 days. Option D, 21 days. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, 7 days. Question 5. For severe exposure conditions, what is the nominal cover required for reinforced concrete? Option A, 20 mm. Option B, 30 mm. Option C, 45 mm. Option D, 50 mm. Time is up. The correct answer is option C, 45 mm. Question 6. What is the assumed maximum strain in concrete at the outermost compression fiber in the limit state of collapse? Flexure. Option A, 0.002. Option B, 0.0035. Option C, 0.0045. Option D, 0.005. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, 0.0035. Question 7. What is the maximum permissible limit of chlorides as Cl in water used for reinforced concrete? Option A, 500 mg L. Option B, 1000 mg L. Option C, 2000 mg L. Option D, 3000 mg L. Time is up. The correct answer is option A, 500 mg L. Question 8. The flexural strength of concrete, FCR, is given by which formula in is 456? Option A, 0.5 square root FCK. Option B, 0.6 square root FCK. Option C, 0.7 square root FCK. Option D, 0.8 square root FCK. Time is up. The correct answer is option C, 0.7 square root FCK. Question 9. What is the assumed standard deviation for M20 and M25 grades of concrete as per table? 8. Option A. 3.5 N per square millimeter. Option B. 4.0 N per square millimeter. Option C. 5.0 N per square millimeter. Option D. 6.0 N per square millimeter. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, 4.0 N per square millimeter. Question 10. When designing for the age factor, what is the age factor for concrete at 1 year? Option A, 1. Option B, 1.1. Option C, 1.2. Option D, 1.3. Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for daily quizzes.